Okay. So have you ever felt like the stock market is just a roller coaster of emotions?
Yeah.
I mean, one minute you're all excited about potential gains, and then the next minute you're watching your investments just totally dip and you get that feeling in your stomach, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Totally.
Well, good news, because today we're doing a deep dive all about that. It's all about understanding the psychological side of trading and investing, because it's not just about numbers, right?
Right.
It's all about how we feel about those numbers. So
Mm.
get ready to unpack some serious insights, because we have this text on trading psychology, and oh man, it is eye-opening. I think you're going to love it.
Absolutely. I think it's super important to start by acknowledging this thing that everyone tries to avoid, and that's the fact that losing is just part of the game.
Yeah. Nobody likes to think about losing money, right?
Yeah.
But pretending it won't happen, that's just setting yourself up for failure, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So what does our source material say about this whole losing thing?
Okay. So it's emphasizing that trading and investing, even when you do it cheerfully and strategically inherently, involves the possibility of loss. It's like a game of probabilities, not certainties, you know?
I get it. So it's kind of like playing basketball. The best players in the world, they don't make every single shot, right?
Yeah,
And they definitely don't win every game.
Yeah, that's such a good analogy. Skill and strategy are super important, but there's always that element of chance. And just like in basketball, you got to accept that losses are a part of the game. That's super important for managing emotions and making, rational decisions in the market.
Makes sense.
Hmm.
So how do we, as investors, how do we wrap our heads around accepting potential losses?
Yeah.
Because I don't know about you, but I don't actually like to lose money.
Well, I think one of the most important things that you can do is embrace this advice that we always hear, and that's don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
I feel like we hear that all the time, but I think it's worth really digging into why this is such a fundamental principle. What's the psychology behind it?
Okay. Well, it boils down to emotional detachment. If you go into an investment mentally prepared to lose that money, it kind of softens the blow if it happens. It helps
Hmm.
you ride out all the ups and downs and all the inevitable stuff that happens in the market, without making those impulsive decisions based on fear or panic.
So it's like creating a mental safety net for yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
And this actually ties into a powerful concept called loss aversion.
Okay, okay.
Studies have shown that the pain that we feel from a loss is actually way stronger than the pleasure that we feel from an equivalent gain.
Interesting.
So, by preparing yourself for a loss, you're actually lessening the emotional impact when it occurs.
Wow, that's so fascinating. That reminds me of when I first started investing. I remember watching my portfolio just go down,
Hmm.
and I had this feeling in my stomach, and it was like, oh my gosh. It took everything in me not to panic and sell everything.
Yeah. That's actually a very common reaction, and this just highlights why understanding loss version is so important. It's about recognizing those emotional triggers and putting strategies in place so you can manage them.
I got it. So then how do we as investors avoid letting our emotions get the best of us, especially with the constant market news and updates everywhere?
Well, the text offers a really interesting perspective on this, and that is money in the market is just numbers.
Okay. That's interesting. Break that down for me.
Okay. Well, it's a reminder that until you actually sell your investments and withdraw the profits, that money is theoretical,
All
right?
right.
It's just constantly going up and down and based on all these different factors, and it doesn't actually represent real spending power that you have right now.
So I should probably resist the urge to check my portfolio every 5 seconds like I'm doing.
Exactly. Constantly refreshing that brokerage app is just amplifying all of those reactions to these little short-term swings in the market. It's like the score during a basketball game, you
Right.
know?
Yeah, yeah.
It's constantly changing, and getting caught up in every little point can really distract you from your overall strategy. You know what I mean?
That's such a good way to put it. So instead of just fixating on every little fluctuation, we should be focusing on that long-term game, right?
Exactly. And this is where defining your risk tolerance comes in.
Okay, yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah. The outline mentioned risk tolerance, but what does that actually mean for the average investor?
yeah, well, it's all about figuring out how much risk you're actually comfortable taking, right?
Right.
So it's a personal decision based on your financial goals, your time horizon, and your emotional capacity to kind of handle volatility in the market.
So instead of asking myself, how much money can I make?
Yeah.
I should be asking myself, how much am I willing to potentially lose?
Exactly, yeah. And once you figure out that level of loss that you're comfortable with, it's going to be way easier to build an investment strategy that just aligns with that.
Got it. Okay. So I feel like we've talked about accepting the possibility of loss, managing our emotions, and understanding risk tolerance. Like, what is the key takeaway here?
Okay. Well, accepting that losses are going to happen is just crucial for approaching trading and investing with a clear head. It's about understanding the psychological factors and then coming up with strategies so you can make rational decisions, even when the market is just kind of all over the place.
Yeah, I love it. And I think it's important to remember that even though losing is definitely a part of the game, each loss is actually a learning opportunity, right?
Absolutely.
So it can help you improve your strategies and become a more resilient and successful investor. So keep that in mind.
For sure.
And that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for tuning in.